wondered how plastic bottles are made?
This factory makes thousands of bottles every hour.
First, plastic pellets are melted at extremely high temperatures. The molten plastic is then injected into molds to create bottle preforms. Next, compressed air expands the heated preforms into full-sized bottles. After cooling, automated systems inspect every bottle for defects. Finally, robotic machines pack thousands of bottles every hour. And that's how plastic bottles are made in factories.